Welcome everyone. Today I've got the Wincent marble run and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different thing, but I'll get to that in a second. For those of you who didn't stay to the end of the last video, which I don't blame you, I tend to babble on a lot at the end. But like I said, what I am hopeful that this is a exceedingly simple marble run, which I think it should be based on previous experience with this company. But and also the fact that it's built for 6 and up. But yeah, considering all the instructions are on one page, it does appear to be an exceedingly simple marble run. But let's see here. We got a box of goodies here. Okay, I didn't realize this one was electric. This one's got a motor. Okay, it's been a while since I ordered this one. It came with glue. That's a bad sign for me, but I'll toss that and use my old school glue. Only 3 ball bearings, some axles, and some rods. Okay. Oh, this is one of the solar ones. I think I do remember these now. Yeah, I bought 2 smaller ones from this company, and they were both solar powered. Had solar option or AA. And the wax in the shape of a crayon this time, which is actually pretty ingenious. You can get into little nooks and crannies, but you know, I've sort of pretty much given up on using the wax just because it's so, all the little flakes that get everywhere around here on this. But now let's pop these open, and like I say, these are as simple as I think they're going to be, which will be good for my overall plan. If I can find a... Okay, there it went. Alright, let's see how many we got and what we got and all that good stuff. Okay, so we got a couple of gears on that one. 4 gears, I guess. Got... Okay. Pretty standard. And also, it's also for my plans, the fact that none of these are actually numbered is actually good. Piece of sandpaper tucked in the middle there. And you got an off-on switch, the only real writing on it so far it looks like. And they're got up on those, which I'm hopefully the instructions will show that. But now on to the story. When I built this one, somebody made the comment that it would look cool if these were different colors to work against each other. So more in the comment section, I thought, well, it would have, especially if I paint the frame a high contrast color to the spinny part. So I thought, well, I may have to experiment with that at some point, and that's when I remembered I had this one. I said I bought this. I know it was sometime last year, just to have like a cheapo build. I thought, what if I take these individual pieces and paint them all different colors, get some spray paint and just cover them, and then assemble it and see what it looks like after that. And the more I thought about it, the more I thought, yeah, I can do it with this one. Because it's very few pieces. It should be a one-day build once I get going on the actual build part. And I think it's always interested to see, experiment with stuff, see how it works, and if it worked good, I might try it on one of the more elaborate sets. And I'd have to do it on a U-Gears one because they're the ones that have the diagrams to know which piece goes where. But like I say, first step first is to try it out with this one and see how it works. In fact, it's only 5 sheets total, and technically, if you count these as one sheet, these 2 as one sheet, there's only 4 sheets. So I think, I decided that's what I was going to do, and y'all get to. Today's going to be all about the getting it painted and prepped and ready, and tomorrow will be the assembly. So I'll be right back, and we'll do some painting. All right. Okay, here we go, folks. I got my primer. I've been shaking up. These are, like I say, a little selection of colors, just what I had laying around. I'll try and do this one-handed. So I'm just doing as light a coat as I can. I'm trying to, not as easy as I thought it'd be. One more there. So I don't really think I need the primer, but it won't hurt either. Just hope I don't run out of time before to get this video posted. Took longer to charge the battery than I thought would in the old camera. Okay, so that side's primed. I'll be back in a few minutes with to the painting. Okay, I have primed both sides. I didn't feel y'all need to see all that, and I hope there's enough paint in this one to do the small one, because it is pretty empty, but we'll find out together. I'm beginning to think it won't be. I've got it. Okay, that is pewter, by the way. And then I'm not too worried about getting oversprayed on these, so I'm just going to go right down the line. Just hit them all right now. And hope the spray paint works, because some of it is antique, to say the least. For instance, that one didn't work. Okay, so let's go to this one. I didn't check that one because I had never actually used it. Okay, let's see what happens with the red. Okay. Okay. That one. And I think I got pretty good coverage. I will hit that a little bit more on this. Go the other way too. Okay. Now I think I got pretty good coverage. Not the best, but it's just proof of concept anyway. And let's see, you down a little bit. The gold. I actually bought this can today, so it's brand new. Let's see what happens with it. Yeah, the new paint makes a big difference. Alright. And let's see here. Now I got black next. Let's go. I didn't plan this out very well. Okay. Move the red one again. Okay, and black. Okay, and let's see. I'll just do another, since my orange didn't work, I'll do another batch of gold on this one. Because that's the one that's working the best. Alright. That gets all of them, so I'll let that dry and come back and do a second coat. Well, do a coat on the other side, it looks like, maybe. Yeah, we've got pretty good coverage. Alright, so I'll show you that too whenever I get around to it. Be back in a sec. Okay, got the other side dry, so let's see if I can get these to... Okay. And what color is this one? Red. Here. This is the pewter one. Oh, this is gonna be the last hurrah for this stuff, I think. Yeah, I think that was in, but okay, a little bit more there. I think that one's basically empty. And these two get the gold treatment. I think I went a little thick on that first one's gold. Alright, so they're all painted on both sides, so I will let them dry and gather them up and do a quick roundup in just a second. Okay, so we've got them all painted up. I was a little impatient in a couple of places and got some, didn't quite dry. So I might have a little flaking on them, but they're dry to the touch. So I'm going to let these cure overnight, and we'll find out tomorrow whether or not this was a good idea or not. And but it looks like I put on a light enough coat where it's going to work okay, I think. I noticed the one of them here had some the on-off is still showing through the paint, so I feel good about that. But otherwise, like I say, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll dive into the assembly tomorrow, and hopefully things will look cool when it's all said and done. Because like I said, this is just going to be random. I don't know how the pieces are going to line up or anything. And I say we'll get this built and see how things turn out, and hopefully this will be a good experiment for us. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all of that. Be good to one another. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.